Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for travel accessories business, easy and quick. So first of all, type Squarespace on the search. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, you can get started from here. You can create your website, and also you can see templates from here. So let's go with this templates. So here you can make any templates yours with easy. Here you can whether you need a portfolio website, an online store, or a personal blog, you can use Squarespace's customizable and responsive website templates to get started. So here you can change the type. For example, you can choose online store, memberships, courses, services, one page, scheduling, and also you can here change the topic. So for example, let's go with this travel. You can choose this. Here you can choose any templates you want for travel accessories. So uh, here you can build your own template. So let's get started from here. So let's go. You can add here your site name. You can type any name you want for travel accessories business. So let's continue. Here you can build your home page. Here you can choose the intro section. You can choose the product section. Here you choose the services section, the about section, and the social section, the forms section, and the last is the footer section. So let's continue. Here you can add page to your site. Here you can choose the color theme. I'm gonna go with this. You can choose the font, and you can finish from here. So that's it. Now wait a few seconds or a few minutes. Here you can personalize your homepage text faster than ever. You can choose if you wanna continue or if you wanna skip. I'm gonna skip this. So this is your homepage right now. You can edit the mobile view, and you can make it like a mobile view like this, or if you want to make it just desktop view, I'm gonna make it just like this. Now let's move on to the site size. Here you can edit the site size. You can first, here we have the fonts. Let's start with the fonts. So here you can switch the fonts back. Also you can edit the headings, the paragraphs, and the buttons. You can reset the fonts back. So that's it. Now let's move on to the colors. So here you can customize your themes. Choose any theme you want from here. For example, I'm gonna go with this theme. So here you can edit the site title. Can change the color theme of the site title and the navigation links. Just click on it like this, and you can custom the color. Here you can edit and customize the color theme of the section background, the background overlay, and the inset border, and the section divider stroke. You can edit the heading and the paragraph and the text highlights, the background color. So that's it. Now let's move on to the animations. So here you can edit the style of the animations. You can make it none, set none, or you can set fade or scale or a slide or clip or flex. Here you can change the speed. You can make it slow or medium or fast. So that's it. Now let's move on to the spacing. Here you can edit the page width max, and you can edit the site margin. You can reset the styles to defaults. So let's move on now to the buttons. So here you can edit the primary buttons. You can edit the text and the shape and the outline. Here you can apply to all button types. You can reset button styles. So that's it. Now let's move on to the image blocks. Here you can edit the text alignments, the content width, and the title separation. You can edit the button separation, and also you can edit here the content position, the text alignments, and the image width. So that's it. Now let's close this, and here you can edit and design your website from here. So first here we have the site header. You can edit it from here. So here you can change the site title and the logo. You can change the site title if you don't like it. You can add the logo image from your library for travel accessories, and also you can add the mobile logo image. So that's it. Now let's move on to the elements. So here you can turn this on, the button, and here you can change the text on the label. You can add the link here. You can turn this on, the social links. You can edit the social links, and here you can edit the social icon size. You can turn this on, the language switch. Here you can change the icon style. So here you can show 0 in cards. So that's it. Now let's move on to the style. So here you can change the style, make it dynamic or theme or gradient or solid. You can turn this on, fixed position. So that's it. If you if you want to add something new on your homepage, just click here, and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your homepage from here. So that's it. So here you can change the text. You can delete it, you can duplicate it from here. You can also change it. You can edit the text form. So that's it. Here you can edit the buttons. You can change the primary button. You can remove it from here. You can duplicate it, and also you can delete. You can edit the text. You can change it on the label. So that's it. If you want to add something on your section, just click here, add block, and you can add an image or video or audio, text, the button, form, newsletter, shape, line, whatever you want. So that's it. If you want to duplicate the section, you can duplicate it from here. You can save it from this icon of this heart. You can move it down or move it up. You can edit the section from here. Click on it, and you can edit the grid and the section and the first screen. You can turn this on, the height and the alignments. You can edit the background. So that's it. You can edit the colors, and that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So here let's delete this, and you can add an image from here. Click here, image, and let's put it here right now. So you can select it from your library or from free image. So for example, let's search here on travel accessories. For example, I'm gonna choose this. You can choose whatever you want. This is just for example. So here you can drag it, and you can make it larger as you want and as you like. So this is the photo right now. So that's it. You can duplicate it. You can make one smaller here. You can duplicate it from here. You can remove it, and also you can design it from here. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website, here you can edit the accordion. You can duplicate it. If you want to edit it, you can edit from here. You can add the item, and you can design it from here, the title and the description. So that's it. After you're done from designing websites and customize the price, and after you choose the way to get paid, now you can just save this, and you can start selling, start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize and create your websites for travel accessories business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.